Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Ocean Casino Resort tonight. I'm here for 2 nights. I'm already checked in. I checked in back home on my phone. I'm just going to head through the lobby into the reception area, check out the kiosk, bring you upstairs and give you a room tour here at the Ocean. Come along with me. It's going to be a fun 2 days here in Atlantic City. Honestly, guys, I don't think I've done a room tour here at the Ocean in over a year. It's been a long time. Now, I've done videos, of course, from the Ocean Casino Resort all year long, but haven't done a room tour, and the comps are starting back up. This room is comped, by the way, for 2 nights. I just want you guys to know that. Comps have loosened up now that the season's over, and that's a good thing. Guys, I always show you this placard when I do a room tour. It's on the inside door, and I do that for a few reasons in case you were wondering. One, it shows you where my room is in relation to the floor layout of the hotel. The other reason is it might give you some information with regards to rates and pool hours and things like that. Most importantly, it shows me where the stairs are, and I consider that paramount to know when I'm staying at a hotel in case of a fire or some other kind of emergency. The stairs happen to be right across from me here, so that's pretty cool. Hotels do burn, and as a matter of fact, here in Atlantic City, we just had a hotel fire this week, so it's very important to know. Again, you don't want to be searching for those stairs in the middle of an emergency. It doesn't take more than 5 seconds to check out that diagram, and it could save your life. And if you want a little more peace of mind, just go outside the hallway and do a visual of where those stairs are. You might even want to calculate how many people you have to push out of your way as you run for your life. I like to tell you guys as much as possible, and truth is, I booked a king non-smoking room, and when I went to do my phone check-in, it had me in a smoking king room, so I had to actually go online and speak to a reservation agent, and they quickly let me know that I could stay on the floor above, which was a non-smoking floor. However, it would be 2 queens, and I said that's no issue at all. So the room hasn't changed much at all since the last time I was here over a year ago, and quite honestly, I don't think it's changed that much since it was the Revel years ago. But I do have to say, it's showing wear and tear, but it's clean and it's comfortable. The Ocean has some new rooms called the Blue Rooms, I think that's what they're called, and you can get one of those if you'd like. They're brand new, but you're going to pay a premium for those. Lots of outlets throughout the room and a comfortable workstation here at the Ocean, and those outlets are important for a vlogger as well as pretty much anyone these days. I couldn't help notice this octopus of wires behind the swivel chair. The curtains are your usual shears and light blocking, and they seem to be in good shape. Since I got two queens this time, I think it's a good time to mention, as you guys know, I usually like a king non-smoking. I usually make these videos, when I make these videos, I travel alone. I just like the size of a king-size bed. However, if I'm going to be in a resort for more than, say, 5, 6, 7 days, I like two queens because I don't like housekeeping coming in and out of my room every day. And two queens allow you halfway through your stay to hop into a bed of fresh linens while you've pretty much used the other bed. So that's a reason why I like two queens if I'm staying longer than, say, 4 or 5 days. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. The room has a very nice walk-in shower. It doesn't have a tub, but this shower is huge and very comfortable. It's got a large bench. I think the only thing that comes close to this shower in size is the North Tower of the Hard Rock, which I do enjoy also, but very nice shower in this room. The shower has dispensers for body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Well, shampoo and conditioner I really don't need. I don't have that much hair. I just use regular soap on my head, and I do have some hair products just to keep me from looking like Albert Einstein. But as far as soap is concerned, I always bring my own bar of soap. I don't know about you guys. I just don't like liquid soap, and I certainly don't like hotel liquid soap. So what do you think? Do you bring your own soap to a hotel? Leave a comment below. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the New York channel, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And if you're enjoying this video in particular, click on that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. I do appreciate it, guys. If you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I really do appreciate your support, guys, and if you click on that thanks button, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Shout out to John Cassisi, I hope I pronounced that correctly, for a super thanks he left on the latest cruise video of mine, the Norwegian Gems Emotion Resort video. Thank you so much, John. It's kind of like leaving a tip, and I do appreciate it. And that's it, guys, a tour of room 2004 here at the Ocean Casino Resort. We're about a third of the way up. This building, I think, is 60 stories high, so we're about a third of the way up. Great view, right on top of the ocean here, as well as the observation wheel. The pool is right below me. I'll show you a better view in the morning when it's light out. But great view, good room, showing wear and tear. I haven't been here in probably a year. It's been a long time. Nothing's changed much. There's some wear and tear in this room, but the room is clean. It's certainly secure. They have a guard standing by the elevators, and looks like I'm going to be comfortable for 2 nights here. So plan on doing a lot of videos here in Atlantic City. Stay tuned to the New York channel so you can catch them all, and well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.